Say hello to the people.
Hello. About to do some cabinet demo.
So we're taking the cabinets from this left side because we're going to remove this upper wall here, make it feel more open. And we're going to put them in the laundry room. So let's see how that goes. Always get that wrong. So you see those black screws? Same thing on this side. Black screws.
What about these ones like that? Are those?
Yeah, we should take those out first. Just those ones here, because those connect this box to this one.
Okay.
So take
And
those
then,
out.
but so keep the doors on.
Yeah, we can. Oh yeah, we can take them off. What was that? The ladder?
What was you?
No?
You
Oh,
drew it.
something. So we can take the doors off, and it's probably make it easier to grab and stuff.
Okay. Staples.
Maybe it's just a good.
And this is the wall we're gonna tear down, huh?
This is it. So there you go.
Should I just like
Don't
pull
be
it?
careful yet. But just don't make the hammer fly out and hit you in the head.
That's like some shit out of a movie.
Be careful, please. Just keep that so you can see in there. Look at the paint color.
I know that's so nasty. Let's go.
That's a good shit. All those breaking in half. That's the risk we waited. Almost.
Okay, so this is on,
Yeah, and then that's the level right
and
there.
you have it on a 5. How high can it go?
I don't know, but 5 is a good start.
All right,
Maybe that's the way to make sure we don't break through the foundation.
all right.
Give it a go.
Would you start in there first, or?
You can just turn it on. It doesn't have to be, and then when you touch, it starts to. Well, that was. Is that back piece loose?
Yep.
Good
My
job.
job here is done.
Well, you got to clean it all up now. That shit broke, Devon, already? You just broke in half and she's done? I did all the work, man.
You didn't get the muscle in here.
I did all the work before you got here, man.
Yeah, right. You loosened it.
What's up, everybody? This is Editor Morgan speaking, and I just want to thank you all for subscribing, continuing to watch the progress. This series is well past due, but we had a lot going on, and we actually just got married, so thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. These videos will start to be more frequent, and also we're getting ready to close on our second property, so we'll be much more active with the camera. I didn't record as much as I should have on this project, mainly because I was too busy working. But again, thank you for the support, and be on the lookout for our next project.